I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. Okay, come to tabletop pose. But pointing your fingers to yourself. Okay? And from here, we are going to do a slowly cat and cow pose. Inhale, look up, open your chest, open your heart. And exhale, roll your back, lifting up your shoulder blades. And inhale, look up. Exhale, roll your back. Inhale, drop your belly, open your heart, widen your sternum, lifting up your sternum, widen your collarbones. Exhale, look toward the belly button. Inhale, open up your front of your body. Exhale to bring your shoulder blades up and back to center. Okay, so now palm facing up. Okay, and sit. Let's take 5 deep breaths here. Inhale, exhale for 1. Releasing for 2. 3. 4. 5. And come to neutral. And from here, reach your arms and sending your tailbone toward your heels. And now palms facing together. And open your chest. As you exhale, slowly bring your chest, heart close to the mat. And try to feel the openness in the front of your body. One more deep inhale. And exhale. Now, forearms down. And grab your toes or your ankle. And lifting up your heart. Lifting up your sternum. Widen your collarbones. And look, gaze drishti straight. Okay, now release. Let's do the other side. And release. So now, sending your foot, leg over your hips. And open your chest. And sending your sternum toward the ceiling. Let's take deep 5 breath here. Inhale, exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. And open up your front. And 5. And back to center. Let's do the other side. Flip over your hips and open your chest to the sky. And 1. And 2. Shoulder blades together, widen your collarbones. 3, 4. Reach your arms. And 5. And back to center. Okay, so now lay down on your back. And interlace your fingers over your head. And reach your arm and foot same side and try to make a curve, C curve, the letter of C. However, try to keep your shoulder blades on the mat. And try to feel the stretch on the side of your body. Inhale as you exhale back to center. Deep inhale, and as you exhale, try to do the other side. Make sure to keep your shoulders wide spread on the mat and keep connection. Inhale, and as you exhale, back to center. And release your hands. Okay, now bend your knee. And from here, kick up. So we're gonna do 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Other side. And kick up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and down. Now together, both legs together, kick up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, pointing your foot heels toward the ceiling and arms to the side and relax. And let's take 5 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale for 1. And bring all blood toward the heart center. And breathe in for 2. As you exhale, release any tension from your chest and shoulders. Breathe in for 3. Widen your collarbones, lifting up sternum. 4. No tension on your neck. Expand your chest, fill up air. And exhale, release. And bring your leg down to the mat. And exhale, release and relax. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!